going on, and welcome back to our channel. Working around the house and garden can be very tedious. Sometimes you just wish there could be an easier way of doing things. But there's no need to get disheartened. There are many options available nowadays which can make one's life easier and make working around the house and garden more of a pleasure and make it feel less like a chore. So let's check out the ingenious tools for your home and garden. Number 8. Karcher PCL4. Put an end to energy-sapping scrubbing. Thanks to the new PCL4 patio cleaner from Karcher, outdoor wooden surface will never need to be cleaned by hand again. With its rotating brushes and adjustable water supply, unsightly problems like green algae, moss, and leaves on patio surfaces can be removed effectively with uniform results. The PCL4 couldn't be easier to use. The appliance simply needs to be connected to a power supply and the garden hose, and you can then get started with cleaning your patio. 2 water spray nozzles are provided above the 2 electrically powered brush rollers. The water from these nozzles loosens and rinses away dirt in a single step. Dirt and debris can be removed with very little effort, and there's no need to keep going over the same spot over and over again. The valve is provided for manually adjusting the water supply to keep water levels low. Edge cleaning is also easy since the powerful motor is positioned in the center to ensure that the brush rollers get right up to the edges and into corners. Number 7. Works Leaf Jet. The innovative Works WG543E Leaf Jet has been developed with air amplifier technology, which provides more air volume for an extremely powerful jet up to 209 kilometers per hour. It's extremely lightweight and compact, weighing only 1.05 kilograms and can easily be used one-handed. This brand new technology provides more air volume as it draws in extra air at the bottom of the tube, creating a greater volume of air to be blown out up to 696 cubic meters per hour. It's equipped with a brushless motor, which provides longer run time and ensures a longer motor life. The instrument has 2 speeds as well as variable air control to allow you to easily get exactly the flow and targeted blowing that you need. It's so easy to use and a complete game changer as well. Number 6. Fiskars Water Wheel XL. The complicated handling of hoses makes watering the garden often a strenuous undertaking, and not only in hot summers. The Fiskars Water Wheel XL watering system has been optimized especially for work in large gardens where long distances have to be bridged. The design has pursued the main goal of raising the ease of watering to a new level to expand with an automatic reel-in function. This has led to giving it the compact form of a circular reel that's geared towards satisfying the needs of a wide variety of users in terms of aesthetics and usability. This elegant system impresses with both enhanced mobility and sophisticated functionality. It's ergonomically designed, easy to carry, and requires no wall mounting. The hose system has been integrated into lightweight housing, eliminating the need to lift heavy hoses. Handling the device is easy and self-explanatory. The most distinctive feature is that this watering system can be placed anywhere in the garden in a horizontal position, which means that it cannot tip over. The system provides high maneuverability without having to lift it, as it's equipped with large, smooth sliding wheels. Number 5. Boss Tool Round Point Shovel. It has a fiberglass shaft, a D handle with a rubber grip, and a tempered steel head for heavy-duty use. It also comes with a 360-degree grip that lets you position your hand at any angle to give you more options when aligning your head to the task you're trying to accomplish. It's this rotating handle that makes all the difference in the shovel. The frame is made with a lightweight aluminum housing that places the rubber-gripped handle within and allows it to rotate as needed. If you want to do some straight digging, then leave it perpendicular to the shaft. If you're pitching material left or right, however, you can rotate the handle to allow your hand to point in the direction you're tossing dirt, sand, stone, or whatever you happen to be shoveling. It's a far more ergonomic solution for shoveling than a straight handle. Number 4. Turtle. The turtle weeding robot is designed to cut down weeds before they have an opportunity to invade your garden. It comes with plant stakes, so you can easily partition off small plants that you want to keep. Otherwise, it'll eliminate any plant that is 2 inches or less. It's waterproof and solar powered. You can set it up outside and let it do the dirty work, so to speak. In terms of size, the Turtle is smaller than a traditional robot vacuum, but quite a bit taller. The taller height makes it possible for the robot to traverse over rocky terrain or across muddy roads. Overall, the Turtle is a good option for gardeners who want to spend less time pulling out weeds. Great way to enjoy the garden more and weeding less. Number 3. Works Landroid. The Works Landroid robotic lawnmower is programmed with an algorithm that's designed to keep a random mowing pattern. This ensures the entire lawn is covered, even those sometimes forgotten corners, and makes for an even trim week after week. The Landroid robotic lawnmower even leaves fine clippings behind as they add important nutrients to your yard. Instead of cutting deeper into your lawn, the Landroid trims less but more frequently. This leads to more even coverage and healthier grass. Using this robotic lawnmower for large areas does not exhaust the machine. The smart technology means the Landroid knows when and how to charge itself and has frequency sensors that can keep it within the bounds of your property. The Works Landroid robotic lawnmower can cover up to half an acre at a time. Unlike most robotic lawnmowers, it has full turning capacity and turns at right angles. This ensures that it will see to every corner. Number 2. Still Pole Pruners. Still HTA 65 is a cordless pole pruner offering a top level of versatility and cutting performance thanks to a 2.4 meter maximum pole length. It is a light, versatile, and powerful pole pruner with low noise and vibrations. The pole pruner is perfect for property maintenance along with orchard and professional tree maintenance. It can also be utilized in areas requiring a low noise level due to reduced noise and vibrations. Number 1. Ryobi Hedge Trimmer. It's easy to use and has a reasonable runtime. The Ryobi Hedge Trimmer is one of the best hedge trimmers and provides adequate cutting power for light and medium duty tasks. Because of its specifications, it may slow down and struggle with some heavy duty tasks and is closer in weight to a gas hedge trimmer. As a cordless hedge trimmer, the instrument has a 40-volt lithium-ion battery pack. This provides more power and longer effective runtime than more traditional battery packs. It's suited to light and medium-duty tasks. If you love your lawns and gardens, then be sure to let us know which of these devices you're looking to get for yourself in the comments section below. Also, before we get out of here, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to catch up on more awesome videos like this in the future. And with that, I'll be seeing you guys later in another video. Bye now!